In this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio in Premiere Pro. So the easiest way to do this is when you have some audio inside your sequence or timeline, you want to go up here to export, and then over here where it says video, you want to kind of minimize this, and you'll see the different options, okay? You'll see that if it's blue, it's turned on, and if it's gray, it's turned off. So if you only want to export the sheer audio without anything else, you want to uncheck everything else. So make sure nothing is blue except the audio. Well, as you can see, it says that at least must be one media stream, so video or audio enabled, so this is automatically enabled over here. And then if you don't want any other effects, metadata, or anything else, you can just simply leave it as audio, and then select the audio format. In my case, it's AAC, and the codec as well. You want to select your sample rate, your channels, and your bit rate, and then that part is done. And then what you want to do is simply give the file a name, select where you want it to export by simply clicking over here in the location, and then you can select the format if you want to, and select the preset in case you're using one. And once that's done, you can see all the kind of the details over here, and you want to simply press export, and it will export the audio for you. Now what I wanted to say as well is that in case you have some video in here too, as you can see I only have audio, is the exact same process, okay? You simply want to go export, make sure nothing but audio is turned on, so this little circle is to the right only at the audio section, and that's it. That's how I export the audio in Premiere Pro.